Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Okay, 101.7 Swini. Ora Koku Anyidoho. Na oye CEO Edema Atta Mills Institute. Na menkɔ ne hɔ na meninu nkɔdi enkomai. Akoku me mo acha no pay.
Blessed Friday morning to you, Kwame Tikese, Mumsuma Action.
Na wako die.
Oh, God, I don't know my better national here.
Boko pa.
Great.
Na me hu se what treaty ade bi. E de aba na what treaty ye no. Ma me hwe se de nsem city e fa sa gay any LGBT ni woni amanema abebe yi ankasa. Wada wuma wankasa de ma menye o thoughts on that. Na what call to ade bi. What see? If Professor Audrey Gajepo claims Professor Atta Mills spoke about not legalizing gay rights only in direct relations to aid from UK, then this clip speaks clearly about President Mills' exact position on the matter. Fast, Ghana first. Me chemo betria. Who say ya mama ya de nyina Professor Audrey Gajepo. So wakase Mampani Atta Mills wanyan baby konyo memfa no krensie sa abre no wanka bibi amfa se ye be legalize me legalize gay na emom the UK for aid bi na ode bre yen na gay rights ta ho na ma waka sa asam no dia wo se wontie Professor Mills yi facts are facts enkomo etisem
You come and that's no mention etifo e be that chicken boss from the party yeah Kwame no san komoyi say nyen start here say about President Mills be aka ho a me say at least 2009 2010 in fact answer my President Kufo those we are there so crowd mekai in the build up to the 2008 general election so crowd Badani campaign issue these are in Komoyi. And I was listening to Nini Akuma, Honorable Roxy Daframepo, the MP for South Dai, and he trust him Edekofa Sodom and Gomorrah, which means that Sadio Ikwame and young men know what so and they started doing Gomo. Started Kansana, Minokra, and so it's an age long. Or it has been there from creation. And to support the position of Honorable Daframepo, yes, that those who want to trivialize it, they can feel free. It is also within their right to trivialize it. But for those of us who believe in creation story and the issues of the Bible, so we believe that there was a certain Sodom and Gomorrah, and so the whole concept of sodomy traces its etymology to the word Sodom in the Bible. And it said, free buyer, but straight to the point. Now we know the coalition led by no less a person than Apostle Opokunina. He is the chairman of that coalition. Of course, the spokesperson is lawyer Moses Fo Amoni. And this is a broad coalition at Atta Mills Institute. Yes, you can be. Except that we have not been speaking much because this particular candy for, but there's a coalition now. But me, and it's almost some of the bill because Parliament. And how I'm saying, Roxy, Honorable Bejra, Honorable Sam George, Honorable Helen Tunso, Omwajiatuma. Champion. Of course, the right honorable speaker himself, Honorable Babin, also has made his position clear on the matter. And he said now we see 16 Ghanaians, some Democrat, and the Comedian Muna, Yamami Penny, Professor Odikajepo, Canadian, or person of the President Mills, again found to be so. Sebinu say President Mills Krano, one G and to one and no credit. Nakasa no kasa no okasa de fa aid hupe Now it was not a general statement say on Jintum. For us at the Tamus Institute, all we are doing is to protect the legacy of President Mills. And it's council took a decision that yes, we must come out openly and say, Professor Gajepo, we are a professor of communication. So the whole training idea when I was doing my master's program at the School of Communication Studies. So a medium, let's say, parable, but the truth of the matter is that President Mills was very categorical. The first, again, say, as president, he will not initiate or support. Second and 40, education in Sanse only on my name. On start here, and on chance here, and on show Biasi Kutupa. As a big muka show Kutupa, no more the bar on June 2. Because come here at the end of the day, when the bill goes through first, second, third reading, and everything goes through Parliament, until the President of the Republic of Ghana signs the bill or assents to the bill, it cannot become law.
Sure.
Yeah, that is how the democracy functions. Until the President of the Republic signs and assents to it, it cannot become law. And the President knows that the President says, "Nya dia obese obi akutupa." Na musumo ko bom mutumu pona musha mu kutupa. Ono President no, enya dia ode ni sabe secretary bi ase. Because at the end of the day, no, put here, apart from the constitution, I am map on. If I put here, you found the as a republic, say, Yabakosem, and the traditional, the cultural values. So, pointedly, Professor Gajepo miscommunicated what President Mills put out. That's the point that I sought to make. But Kwame, from a general perspective, people are forgetting that this whole bill called Parliament, they want to fare by in recent times. The fare by in recent times, any now maybe I saw yes, that's sorry I see maybe a friend CSE, compulsory sexual education. Say a manoma ya womo omwenya infinyensa and nine enum kono ebidu mutu mu baby say omodie ye peyempewo sa mofra na omunyambo taskele enwiye omunyambo gota to gota enwiye ye nyambo alikoto enwiye dikos ye nyambo enwiye na 3 years on yanse ni cartoons enwiye no uko schoola into being fans anyamano entre a telephone sem se sabo fa no be schoola startify nyame bi hye ni tree se be ma da enye. And Kwame, if you go deeply, because I'm a member, the Tamus Institute is a member of the coalition. And I know committee, I'm sure going in the next, in fact today I think some group is holding a press conference at 9 o'clock at International Press Center. But there are going to be a series of things that are going to happen because Kwame, young party will be able, but young be a ding, young cancer, young culture, young kumu derby. Yen cancer nipano yen trainers should there be no. Kwame, just a minute. Near Roxin, I want to put a summer poker and say, Wofia and Baba here. Kita crack, Kwame. That is the most dangerous aspect of the whole thing. Say, school fees, then my minimum, your papa no more, and then nipa sorry. Aswan Kosia, yes, in Kosia, yes, ice waiter. But I don't know the go to school fees.
When you are pronouncing ye pie, ice waiter, sanity. Ice waiter. Now, when we are walking to the one brea, or the banana bad the category, say, ma, and then go school teacher say, Uncle, boy. And some of the most ridiculous aspects of the whole thing is that omo patre se abofanu ye wono a eja ene ena watu di na wie no mamu kantra abofanu se oye bema anase oye oba munya no kala ono
funny pay, some of funny 3 years, 4 years old. Funny pay. Long country who say, or your bema and also your bar. Let the children or the child identify his or her own sexuality. Kwame, you see, omuko schooler. You go school, you see boys urinal, me girls urinal. No, in fact, boys urinal, me girls urinal, and carry a probia subium. Yen Janasa, it's me your bema. Now, drink short dimmy, 9 o'clock. Now, the face send me your bar. Ma bura ma urinal. A boy 10, now me see me a bema. Ma ko bema dieno. A boy 11, now me see me your bar, ma sa ko bar dieno. A boy 12, now me a bema, now ma ko bema. A bay. So a baby between 8 and 5, no, abofano, a bit to me changing sexuality, no, 10 times in a day. What are you doing to the child?
Make I say, me mano me no almost share TV. Ena me who say nkofo bi akisi wo mu. Some kisi and akwara say, it's so disgusting. Meaning that enye ya mamre.
Enye ya mamre kwame. Enye ya mamre. So within between 8 and 3, and I say 4 no. The child can switch between male and female depending on nia opesoye. Pam we do say na juno. Sa bofa no fi say sebe. Number. Now they are even saying some of the things that if you read the thing get Kwame, it means say pampers, sanitary pads here. Because obiani say ye ni amanu mo na samre ne so a omo dane dane omo ntiga omo na sanitary pad na ya ma omo pa kire say even in advertising sanitary pad no yemfa ma emfa advertising sanitary pad because it's against the human rights of men who have decided that they will be women. Committee say sanitary pad ye ni amanu mu yuzu if it is say man yuzu the men be after your margin so more than of bank even for the and the advertisers of sanitary pad do not use the symbol of a female. Because if you do that, yes, if you do that, you are discriminating against the male or the men who have decided that they too are women. Where from this one?
Obi, Shakespeare say, and men have lost their reasons.
Certainly so.
But me ma wadi ebi. And more, me fa punching. Say, who are punching for a bema, no one punching for no or koa. Or kona or do no say a young kwa punch bema or sign. Say a punch bema po. So obafro aponche bidien waba just say waba on heat only on heat eno kura no wode ne dwon so na etese hu say waba on heat okay me fa nkokọ a wahwe ne ane marketing no akokọ kokọ ni no onkone nchei knowing say we die oyoba tan wawo ne marketing kwapim say akokọ bidien waba no ebe hwete nkwada no afiri ne nchen na kese wa ready so obesa tunkosuafofo me pa acho enuma me hunu anuma anuma oye bema na okross ana o meti anuma oye obada jata onfro obidie bia akwa gese na yire yes, boy, Awurade Nyankopon.
I'm telling you, Awurade Nyankopon. Thank you. Na me ni wudi nkomo say na wo tete me ni wudi nkomo yi. Say ya gi to assembly. In fact, every religion believes in a supreme being. So, at least there's a common denominator. Say we all believe that there's a supreme being and that we were created, we were made. And I'm becoming an obese. Everything else was created. Man was made. Look Genesis. And let there be light, there was light. Let there be the firmament, there was firmament. Let there be the sun to rule by day and the moon to be by night, and there was. let there be the water, and there was water. Let the water on the earth move to one side so that there will be earth. There was. Let there be animals under the water. There was. Let there be birds in the air. There was. Let there be trees to fruit to give us medicine and food. There was. The body part that's a Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, the Trinity. Or say, let us make. Let us make man in our own image and likeness. So we were not created. We were deliberately made. That is why everything else was created. We were made. And we were asked to name those things and then have dominion and rule over those things. Now those things are even ruling over us. Yeah. It's the part that says TV is no what that. That's why TV no him. Yeah, because we have lost that dominant spirit and that dominant role that God gave us at creation. So now we have become subservient to the things that were created for us to have dominion over. That's what is happening to humanity. But coming back to the issue. So now, this is the argument. So we should go and start introducing. Here I school, Sunday school, worship, morning assembly, and we could see in my dinner. Even with all that strictness. Now say there is some strictness, we are year free into free for all. Why are we going as a society? Now, what? And I heard Roxy, and it is true. This bill that has been sent by the coalition, Kwame, is not attacking anybody. The aspect of the bill that this group, 16 prominent people are not availing their minds to is Kwame, the bill is talking about the fact that at any bill hormonal disorders. Say I will Bema. I would also there's some hormonal defects somewhere. And there's science and clinical evidence that those issues can be solved clinically and medically. Kwame, omo Bema. Omo mema wadanema. Omo koma ye wo pania pompu. Say be omo chiri no for number than about this transgender form. And yet hospital be no more. So if you can go to a place, a medical center, for them to pump those hormones into your system, does it not stand to reason that you can go to another medical center and they will take out all those hormones and heal you? So apart from the spiritual aspect, every movie says Bible, no? Say. Your move find no so they laugh at spirituality. Okay, let them laugh at spirituality. What about the science of it? Would they laugh at the science too? If you don't believe in the spiritual aspect, what about the science? The prominent 16 people who have all gone to school, read theories, and have PhDs and professors, they don't believe in the science of it too? They don't believe in the science? Forget about spirituality. I mean, they're personal. The Bible no crack as we should all work out our own salvation. Because for judgment day, this individual. If you think a India, I have no problem about that. But you have gone to school and you have acquired a PhD in a certain discipline. So at least you believe in the efficacy of academia. So you don't believe in the science of it too, that it can be healed, that Kwame, there's a matter. It's like if you can go to hospital and go and pump the hormones into your system, somebody else can go to the hospital and go and pump the hormones out. So you do me, I do you. God no vex. You go and do it and pump the hormones. Somebody will also go and do it and pump out the hormones. You do me, I do you. God no. Another you do, I do. God no vex. So why are people calling people names? Why are people calling people names? First of all, the coalition has sent a bill. What stops the 16 people from also sending a bill? Why do they want to input into the bill that others have sat down to work hard and send? You to send your bill. After all these days, thanks to the parliament that was headed by Professor Aaron Michael Kwe, who also took a strong position against this thing. These days, you can go on a private member's motion and introduce a bill. So you don't have to, it doesn't have to be an executive instrument or a legislative instrument. On a private member's motion, you can put in a bill. So the 16 prominent Ghanaians Why don't they also introduce a bill? Why are they condemning the bill that others have introduced? You have to send your bill. And then when Kotapo talks about adultery and fornication are worse than this, obviously that's I'm saying that, Master, when you are not,
I was saying,
when you are not, you see, you can be a prominent lawyer, which is good. That is why Miko Kwanido, if you listen to my discourse over the period, I don't skate on thin ice. I don't pretend to. Because if you say, yes, you are legal, you've gained prominence in the legal profession. But because you don't understand matters of spirituality, you come and talk about fornication and adultery and say it is worse than this thing. Do you know the concept of fornication and adultery in the spiritual realm? That it is precisely fornication and adultery that gave rise to what happened in Sodom and Gomorrah. You don't know.
Now,
you don't laugh at your ignorance. It is fornication. It is fornication that gave rise to this thing in Sodom and Gomorrah that has become sodomy, which is in the law books that you practice. So if you don't know about matters of spirituality, don't laugh at your ignorance. Stick to your law. And you should also forget that there's a spirit and there's the letter of the law. If he knows the spirit, the letter, he doesn't know about the spirit, he shouldn't laugh about the spirit. Otherwise, all the prominence that he's claiming, because they are men and women of prominence, they will drown in this matter because then their prominence will pale into insignificance because they are skating on thin ice and laughing at their own ignorance when it comes to certain aspects of human existence. Yes, sir.
Obi be argument be say, esse a professor, revered professor Sisime kai say, me maame Professor Audrey Gajepo, who say no true a feature bi ba mu. To the powers that be. Na come pa na me question is say, enkofo bi say, esse ye nti wo mo ase. E na won say wo mo professorial status no ne ade o mo wonti no. Wo kasa it takes the obi all level bi and obati wo ma se okrogu
Kwame, if some of us hadn't surgeoned within the walls of academia before, then maybe they can call us names, right? Men of God, do you know the deep scientists, the deep lawyers, the deep engineers, the deep sociologists, the deep psychologists, the deep people who are also men of God? So nobody should laugh at men of God as if they are ignoramuses. They are not. Of course, in every trade and in every profession, you will find, yes, those who are on the other side of the divide. Giving. That is why even in academia, you will find some of academic men and women who also are on the other side of the divide. As the French say, c'est la vie. But never should anybody think that because he or she walks around with a PhD, every other person is non-compos mentis.
Okay, FM.
No. We are not non-compos mentis on this matter. And the creator was not non-compos mentis.
Non-compos mentis, na say.
Yes. So, deviant behavior exists in society. Why not? For which reason we have correction institutions, for which we have the laws, so that we don't allow deviant behavior to become the preeminent and the dominant behavior in society. So we have laws that curtail deviant behavior. This issue, that's why the coalition is saying that there's a medical and a clinical aspect of it too. And there's evidence, there's data, there's science to prove that people have sought medical attention and they have been cured. So while this bill is talking about other aspects in terms of don't legalize it or don't make it the dominant behavior in society or don't glorify it, it is also telling you, and not in a subtle manner, in a very loud manner, that there's the other aspect of it. So you don't believe in the spiritual aspect of it, no problem. What about the clinical and the scientific aspect of it? Professors and doctors of academia, that one too, you doubt it? So please, you want comprehensive sexual education introduced in the schools? The coalition is saying that there's a comprehensive bill that is before Parliament that will look at these things in its whole entirety I think that it will do Professor Dr. Mr. Pokoto Ampao and his group a lot of good if they will sit down, drop the hubris, drop the emotion, drop the name calling. Let us all sit around a certain table and build consensus. Let there be a meeting of minds. Niyere Ajidwe Asimetunio. And this is for Professor Gajepo. If she understands the ever. Professor Gajepo, my brother Niyere Nunya Ajidwe Asimetunio. People are she. Yeah, there's some minority. Why not? They exist. Why not?
Man, I mean,
what they need is compassion.
BBC for
what they need is love. What they need is attention. What they need is care.
Yes. The BBC for what you say. Gay society lives in fear. As a baby, so what the question me BBC for no one to one say. Society no one way. I say one more coming mammy. Gadget po wa omri ko yi dem busan say enkrofo no na be hu wo mo ana what triggered it
Britain for no omukoya Brexit ni wi ye no e na omunya omukron be kumpreko ama omu je no omukoya Brexit wi omunya omukron be kumpreko ama na ko shelves omu je no omunya tanker drivers omu fa fuel embe krom omu je no we this is right about that one Ghana nkwane Africa nkwana petrol shortage banyesa petrol shortage na ba wo UK no omunje no
wa mo ya Brexit wie ye no ye nya wo mo beku mpreko kura ma wo mo
I'm telling you omunya preko because other people were doing those works for them, other people were doing those jobs for them, but they went on Brexit and now you can't get those people to do those jobs for you and a petrol come to me and a shortage about UK. And Africa and petrol bar shortage and the BBC and the cameras in Namgana say petrol short. But you can then there's any there. Sebi, Unankoka say Penija in Frama. I want to fuck see who can work at the year. But matter, God didn't create white or black. He created man in his own image, not black, not white. He created man in his own image, and he breathed that spirit into us. Very soon, maybe there will be reverse osmosis in terms of propagating the gospel. But if certain things are happening in that world, maybe we have gotten a deeper understanding of the word they brought to us more than they themselves. We will start reverse evangelism. We will now start going to Europe to go and evangelize for them to get back to the word.
I see.
Now, because they shouldn't forget that they in the UK, talking about the BBC in particular, and not necessarily over personalizing it, but when they sing and they say God save our queen, what do they mean by God save their queen? So we too we say God bless our homeland Ghana. And in fact I was just reading Professor Bafo Ajiman's biography on General Ike Achampo. I spent the whole night trying to read through it because I just got a copy and I tried to read a book every other day, part of building the neurons in my brain cells. And I just got that book by Professor Bafo Ajiman there. And let me congratulate him. I think he did a fantastic job. But Kwame, if it is true, from what I read in one of the chapters, some of the legacies at Champion left that we have forgotten. One was the introduction of the National Pledge in 1973. The National Pledge. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. At the tail end of it, he says, so help me God. And I remember those days, not John Tefo, you be chief minister at 9 o'clock, black and white, and Yapon. John Tay, those days, John Tay Memorial, school for some school, pledge. At Champion Strings, I think it was Grace and Gladys also. They were also part of that school choir. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and toil of our fathers. And I pledge myself in all things to uphold and defend the good name of Ghana. So help me God.
Now,
so help me God. Then the first stanza, also the first stanza of the national anthem. Apparently at independence, just a minute. At independence it was
Okay, mami can to say I promise on my honor no ebe a champion breso but a man be a near friend Moses or Hinikena no free Eastern region or name musician or put into score a man be you friend
wonderful.
Yeah, he was a
wonderful.
Yeah.
It was one of our champions legacies.
Yes.
Of course, even the national anthem, from what I've read, Philip Behu at Independence gave us the real anthem with the lyrics and then the music, whatever, accoutrements.
Yes.
But it was Fly High, the flag of Ghana. It was a champion who came and changed the opening line to God bless our homeland Ghana.
Exactly. He did well.
Under his concept of patriotic nationalism. His concept of patriotic nationalism. Then he changed the opening line.
Hey, what's your name?
What's your name, Masa?
Hey, Ghana goes metric.
Masa, nipa beye biu, but why nya kama fu amawa? Nipa beye biu, but why nya kama fu amawa? So Professor Bafo Adjumani, I'm the head of the Kufuor Foundation currently. Professor Moni Adjuma, it's the same thing that some of us want to do it at Amios and President Rawlings, because Master, we don't write about these leaders and we allow others to write about them for us. Master, they will tell us what we don't want to hear, but that will become the story that posterity will come and read and they will not forgive us for it. Let us tell our own story. So Kwame, in telling that story, that is why we came out and said, Professor Kwajepo, your take on President Mills' rendition as regards this issue, Madam Professor, with all due respect, you miscommunicated around what the president said. The president was emphatic about not initiating anything, not supporting it, and he didn't limit it only to foreign aid. And so that's the point that Amos Institute sought to make. And the coalition is doing its work. Congrats, I'm saying again, Professor Pukunina and all those, the chairman, the General Secretary of the Christian Council, Professor Dr. Fayose, Moses Famweni, and everybody who is working, the parliamentarians. Kwame, Ghana will not die. Ghana will live to give reverence, honor, glory to God Almighty.
Amen.
Amen. I sit down here with have a lovely day and nice weekend.
Thank you. Ora Koko Anido, any train come CEO at Amios Institute, any train come on. Na Dr. Dubois Abona Basopa was say or cassette very deep. Dr. Dubois a chair no pay endpoint to particular was say.
Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.